Hello everyone. Hi Cancer, water sign. So this is January weekly reading and general may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So Cancer, what are the messages and what's going on? Let's see. Cancer, water sign. Wishing you a very happy new year, guys. May all your dream come true. So let's see your reading. Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah, Five of Swords, backstabbing. I think your person is sneaky, played games with you for sure. Because Five of Swords with Seven of Swords, the Tower, and Four of Swords, what's going on, Cancer? I think you love your person a lot. You really like them, and you always there for your person. What I'm getting here, but they did something wrong to you, and you cut them off. But they're coming back again with apology, whatever, because Page of Pentacles, they already approached you, they already messaged you. If not in near future, definitely they will. But I think now you are concentrating on yourself, because Judgment, Nine of Pentacles right now, and Seven of Swords. Yeah, you know about them. Definitely they played games with you. You came to know about, they maybe cheated on you, lied to you. For some it could be third party situation. Yeah, but now you are concentrating on yourself. You are concentrating on your career, your growth, and you are achieving financial stability. Wow. Yeah, you will be like this, Cancer. You are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially. Yeah, you achieved this balance. Yeah, you are going to be make some decision, because the Judgment is here. Definitely some major decisions in your life. You are not talking to your person right now, but thinking about something a lot. Maybe it could be your person you are thinking about. Definitely Four of Swords, you are undergoing some healing process, because there is some Tower moment. I think this separation causes a lot of pain for you, because you are very honest in this connection. You are always there for your person. Yeah, definitely healing is going. That death, I think there are some endings, what I'm seeing here. You are moving on, Cancer, what I'm seeing. Because if it is third party situation, there is no reason to stay in his life or in her life. Okay, if you already know about that, that's why you decided to move on. Some transformation, some Tower movement. Okay, but you are in balance, you achieved balance. Yeah, you know, that's why you are undergoing healing process. You accept this, you are moving on. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Air sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio. But they're coming back with an apology, blah blah blah. But what I'm seeing here, I think you are moving on. For some, definitely you are moving on. So let's see your person current feelings and then near future actions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going on. Yeah, through Three of Wands under the deck, definitely you turn your back from your person. And this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different cities, different countries, and different states. So let's see your person current feelings first. Yeah, your person is sneaky. Definitely they have options also. Maybe they are seeing other options when they are in your relationship. Definitely. Yeah, but they, I think Seven of Wands, you are very defensive, or your person, they're coming back, they're trying to come back. Okay, Seven of Cups, definitely they have options for you. Definitely Seven of Swords, they're thinking about you a lot. For some, yeah, they are thinking about how to come towards you. And definitely they are sneaky. Seven of Swords two times, definitely there is some sneaky energy, guys. Be careful to give another chance if you are if you want to give another chance, because end of the day it's your life. You have to make right decision for yourself. uh, Definitely if it is third party, please don't give, because Seven of Swords two times, maybe they play games with two women, what I'm seeing here. Seven of Wands, but they are very, I think if you don't want to give another chance, still they are coming back with an apology, still they are trying, what I'm seeing here. So let's see their near future actions towards you. Under the deck, 6 of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation with you. Princess of Swords, they're spying on you. They maybe want to test the waters before coming. The Sun, for some it could be some children's also involved in this connection. Maybe one person in this connection already married, they have children also. I think what I'm seeing here, definitely there is a lot of communication is going to be happen between both of you. They're trying to come back. I think for some, you also want to give second chance, because 6 of Wands is here, 8 of Wands. Definitely they want success in this connection. They want to win you back again in their life, but totally it's up to you, Cancer, because it's your life. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, be careful. Definitely they will approach. I think they are trying to manipulate again, what I am seeing here, because 8 of Wands, lot of communication. And the Sun, definitely they want reconciliation with you. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. Let's see from universe the outcome. But communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, they are coming back to work on this relationship, partnership. Now maybe they're realizing your worth. Maybe you came to know about them, then you walked away, but now they're coming back. For some, maybe your person is really changing for you. For some, maybe they are playing games with you again. Queen of Pentacles, now they want to share their life with you. They want to work on this relationship. 3 of Pentacles. But it's up, yeah, you walked away. It's up to you. Knight of Cups, they're coming back. For some, there is another person is also coming back to you. New love, Knight of Cups. Yeah, strong. Queen of Cups, your energy. Definitely you are a very caring person. You always thinking about the other person a lot. You are giving person, caring person. Yeah, you walked away because you came to know about that person. But they are coming back. It's up to you. They want reconciliation. It's up to you. Cancer. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer. Yeah, Knight of Wands, 6 of Swords, the Emperor, and 7 of Pentacles. Maybe you invested a lot in this connection. For some, you are waiting for your person to come back. They are coming back. Yeah, Emperor. Maybe you stand by your power. And now maybe your person changing for you and they're coming back like this. 6 of Swords. Yeah, for some there will be reconciliation. For some, still you decided to move on from this person. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, they are coming back with a lot of passion towards you. Cancer. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Maybe I am getting in final outcome also 8 of Cups. You decided to move on because you have a lot of trust issues. What I am getting here. Because 7 of Swords 2 times. But they will try again and again until you give second chance. What I am getting here. Yeah, see their overall energy for the week. 10 of Swords, Justice, Knight of Pentacles, and 8 of Cups. Definitely you walked away. Or if they did it, definitely now they are feeling regret. Knight of Pentacles, they are coming back with stable offer. And this time they may be sincere. And Justice, yeah, they want second chance. Libra, but you cut them off. Because what they did to you. Yeah, 10 of Swords, for some it is ending. For some, definitely a person want rebirth in this connection. They're trying to manifest you back again. They're trying to win you back again. They're trying to come into your life again. But if you let them in, okay, the power is in your hands. What you want in your life, it's up to you totally, Cancer. Because 2 times 7 of Swords energy, you have to trust your intuition. Before taking any decision, ask your inner self, then make decision. Okay, so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Cancer. Yeah, take time to breathe out. Definitely, you may be in a situation like suffocating a lot. Take time to breathe out. Definitely, they're coming back. Two cards here, guys. Confidence is your key to success, but the major card is here, the important card. Take time to breathe out. Definitely, they are rushing towards you. Ask, please take decision. Please decision. Don't make decision in rush, because take time to breathe out. Definitely will, if they are coming back, they want second chance. Take your time, think about that, okay? Because you don't want to invest your emotions again and hurt again and again. That's why it is the message for you. Take time to breathe out means you have to analyze the situations again, then take decision, okay? Ask your inner self, listen to your inner voice. Cancer. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.